My bro, what is the plan, bro? What is the plan? So we clearly can see Carrick is fuck of it. We can clearly see that the squad for 3 managers has never been up to it, bro. I'm so sick and tired of all these Lulu fans. Nee, sack Amorim. He's a fraud. He's a cock coach. Who else needs the sack, bro? Can we actually talk about who actually needs the sack? The fucking Glazers need the sack. This apparent Manchester United fan needs a sack. 70% of that squad needs a sack. You know how Lulu the fans are, bro. We playing Champions League and yeah, gonna play Champions League. You don't have the squad. You don't have the quality in your squad to compete on any fronts. You're going to be playing Champions League and you're going to be getting your ass handed to you every single game. Galatasaray, Bodo Glimt. This, like, as a club at Manchester United, they need to start being serious now. They need to start being serious because whatever they're on, it's definitely not working. And this bruh, he's not the only one to blame, guys. The Glazers is still in the back end. If we don't let these motherfuckers go, 2 left backs. Okay, Dogo is there. We need a left back. We need probably not a centre back. Our whole midfield needs a revamp. And I don't want to hear Kobbie Mainoo was supposed to play last night and then we would have been better. Kobbie Mainoo is kak. So, Casemiro's leaving. We need 2 defensive midfielders. Did you see in that game? Absolutely no creativity. It's get the ball, ping the ball to Bruno, cross the ball. Bruno must make something happen. Other than that, absolutely no creativity from the middle of the park. No authority in the middle of the park. Guys, let me know, I know what this team needs. Let me know what you think.